Natural light has a powerful impact on the ambiance and functionality of any space, and in Brandon, where beautiful outdoor landscapes complement urban living, maximizing daylight in your home or office can significantly enhance your environment. One of the most effective ways to invite more sunlight into your space is by installing awning windows. These versatile windows are not only visually appealing but also offer a practical solution to enhance natural light, provide ventilation, and boost energy efficiency. The beauty of awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a small awning that protects the opening. This unique design allows them to let in plenty of natural light, even when the window is open. Whether you are in a downtown apartment or a suburban home, awning windows are a stylish and functional way to bring the outdoors in without compromising privacy or security. They can be strategically placed in hard-to-reach areas, like above kitchen countertops or in narrow hallways, ensuring you make the most of every square inch of your home. Unlike traditional casement or sliding windows, which require a larger opening area to function properly, awning windows are ideal for smaller spaces or places where you want to preserve wall space. Their slim profile and ability to open outward without interfering with interior furnishings or exterior landscaping make them a popular choice for modern homes in Brandon. Whether you're remodeling an existing room or designing a new space, awning windows offer flexibility and sophistication. Harnessing the power of natural light. Natural light has numerous benefits, both physical and psychological. Studies show that exposure to natural light improves mood, increases productivity, and even promotes better sleep. In a city like Brandon, where the weather can vary greatly throughout the year, maximizing natural light inside your home or workplace is essential for maintaining a cheerful and inviting atmosphere, especially during the colder months. Awning windows excel at allowing light to stream in, thanks to their top-hinged design. When opened, the angle of the window allows sunlight to enter even during rain or wind, keeping your indoor space bright and airy without the worry of water entering. This feature makes them ideal for Brandon's unpredictable weather, offering consistent light and ventilation all year long. Energy efficiency and ventilation. In addition to maximizing natural light, awning windows also contribute to a home's overall energy efficiency. When closed, they form a tight seal, preventing drafts and helping to regulate indoor temperatures. In warmer months, you can open the windows to let in a refreshing breeze, while still keeping rain out, thanks to their unique design. This blend of controlled ventilation and energy efficiency helps reduce the reliance on artificial lighting and air conditioning, lowering your overall energy bills. Because of their excellent weatherproofing, awning windows can be installed in areas that require reliable ventilation, such as bathrooms or kitchens. They allow warm air and moisture to escape, reducing the risk of mold and improving indoor air quality. Additionally, awning windows can be paired with other energy-efficient technologies, such as double or triple glazing, to further improve insulation and prevent heat loss in winter, making them a wise investment for homeowners in Brandon who want to optimize both natural light and energy savings. Enhancing the aesthetics of your home. Awning windows are not only functional but also add an elegant touch to any building. Their modern, sleek design complements both contemporary and traditional architecture. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing space, these windows can elevate the overall aesthetic, providing a clean and uncluttered look while offering practical benefits. Their versatility allows them to be combined with other window types, such as picture or fixed windows, to create larger openings that flood your interior with natural light. If you want to create a focal point in a living room, dining room, or even a home office, an awning window can offer unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape while letting in an abundance of sunlight. Conclusion: awning windows are a perfect solution for Brandon homeowners looking to maximize natural light while enhancing the functionality, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of their spaces. These windows offer a unique combination of style, practicality, and performance, making them an excellent investment for anyone looking to bring more light into their home. Whether you're creating a modern space or upgrading a traditional design, awning windows can transform your home into a brighter, more inviting place to live and work.